Hello there! So today I have some ice yarns to show you that I just got in the mail. Now I'm in a mode of plushy yarns and velvety and chenille and all that. So I tried out two of their kinds of these yarns and let me show you what it's like. So these ones, they're all the same. This one is called Nubuck Chenille. Let me show you how it looks inside. Here's a closer look. It's pretty thin and pretty stiff. I was hoping it would be a little bit more softer, but it is pretty stiff, and actually for amigurumi, I think that might be a good thing because then whatever you make out of it, it'll hold it more sturdy. It says that it's a 4mm and it's a lightweight, 50 grams each ball. A pack comes with 6 balls of yarn. And so I got it in this gorgeous dark blue color and gray, white or cream, I'm not sure. It doesn't say the name of the color, but I think it's more like a cream. It's not exactly white. Then this mustardy brownish color. And this dark red or burgundy, whatever it's called, color. They look very, very nice. And I can't wait to start using them for amigurumi. Next I have these ones, which these are a thicker and more plushier yarn. Let me find one to show you. These are called Chenille Baby Light. Let's see where it's open. Oh yeah, this one is much, much softer. If you can see. This is a very plushy, soft yarn. It's a bit similar to the Himalaya Dolphin Baby, but I think it's a bit thinner than that and a bit less like puffy. This one is it says it's a 3-weight, 4 to 5mm needles, 100 grams. It comes in a pack of 4, and I got them in this brown color, pink, yellow, and this light green color. And they look so inviting and plushy and nice. I can't wait to work with them. So that's what I have for now. A nice little stock up for my amigurumi projects. And I'll see you next time. All the best.